Hmm. So this is, you understand now? This is called a village. What is this? Cow. It's the she is waking. It's not a cow. It's a bull. Small bull. It might hurt you. Come back. It might hurt you. अस्सलाम वालेकुम
हाँ, ये है।
क्या हाल है बुजुर्गो
और ठीक है
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह
क्यों भाई बच्चा देखना ही है
हाँ पिंड वेखन आई
वो ठीक है
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह
चलो चलो।
Okay, so these are hens and that cow and that sheep and there are pigeons also. Can you see the pigeons? What? It's a cock is what?
It's so bigger.
Oh my god! Look, watch out! In the village, you have to be careful. You might step into Goya. You understand Goya? Yeah, where is Goya? Can you show me? Where? This? Okay.
Cow dung.
Cow dung is called Goya.
Hey, I can't. Come on. Let's go somewhere.
Where do you want to go?
Yeah.
Yeah, baby chicken. What are they doing? They're eating food? Hmm. But why are they eating food from this pile of dust? Because you don't know, they like to eat small insects, and those insects are at such places. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Hmm.
But can you hold me? I'm from school. Horse.
Yeah, okay, you can go.
I can't.
Come. Hmm.
You not hurt me?
Huh? Yeah, I don't know. It might hurt you.
What is this?
This is his feces.